What is up, guys? It is Aqua Euphoria here today, and today, as you can tell, I have these super cool plastic plants, and I'm super excited to be showing you what we are going to be doing with these today. So yes, that surprise video that I've been telling you about for about 4 videos now is still not done. You might be able to hear it in the background, so you might know what is going on, but trust me, guys, I promise you I am trying to make it so good. Some things have been going wrong. The temperature on it has been going crazy, but you might know what it is and what I'm trying to hint to you, but it's been going to 75 to 89, so that is a horrible thing. But trust me, guys, I am trying to get it perfect for you guys to see, and today is in rough shape. I was going to make a video, but it just wasn't good enough. So I'm going to be doing you a favor and making you this super cool DIY Zen garden video, because I have not posted in a week because I've been working on the surprise, I promise you, all week. It has been a crazy week about this. But yeah, I'm super excited to be showing you guys this. So I have gotten everything for the Zen garden today. I went to Meijer's and the Dollar Tree. So at Meijer's, I bought 3 plastic plants, and I also bought some flower stickers to be going on the bowl, and also this little fairy garden decor. And here is the bowl that I got from the Dollar Tree. The bowl was obviously $1, so I spent $1 at the Dollar Tree. It is a garden dish, as you can tell right there, and I spent $12.72 at Meijer with everything else. So guys, we are going to be getting started. Oh, I also bought, I bought some rocks for my bowl to put the plants on. So let me grab those out. I got these at the Dollar Tree also, so I spent $2 at the Dollar Tree, sorry. So I'm super excited to be putting these in the little bowl that I've got. So what we can do right now is we can open this up, or take the sticker off, I should say. We might not even have to take the sticker off. It might be a little hard, but yeah, I'm gonna take the sticker off and I'll be right back. So guys, I am back. It still is pretty bad, but that's as close as I could get. It is from the Dollar Tree, so it's not gonna be the easiest stickers to get off. But then we are going to take our decor stones. As you can see, they're all different colors. And we're just going to pour some. I don't know if I'm going to do the whole bag yet, but I'm going to pour some in the bowl. I think I'm going to do the whole bag. If you guys get these stones, you can do however much you want. It doesn't matter to me. Not my garden. So, like this. Then we are going to take the plants. There's foam right here. We're going to get this out, and I'll be right back. So guys, I have gotten the plastic plants out. As you can see, this was in the foam like that. You can just slide them out. You guys might have seen in the Dollar Tree video, I believe I did the same thing, or the terrarium video. I just took the plants out. So we had 3 plants, but there was 2 in 1. So now we have 4 little ones, so I will show you them right now. These ones are the same because there was 2 in 1. We also have this one right here, pretty cool, and this is my favorite one right here. And we have our bowl. You can even that out just like that. We have our little decor right here. I think this is pretty cool. There's a little marble in it that like flies around in there. You can stick that just wherever, honestly. I'm just gonna lay it like that in the corner. Then we have our stickers. You can put your stickers wherever you want. I'm going to open these up. You can get whatever kind of stickers. You don't even need stickers, but I thought the stickers would make it pop a little bit and give it color. So I'm just going to take the sticker and just put it wherever I want it. Right there. Make sure it's level. Just like that. And I can add as much as I want, but just that one for now. I think that looks pretty cool. And then we're going to take our plant. Actually, we're going to take this out just for now. and then you can stick your plant wherever, just like that. Move the rocks up so the plant doesn't fall over, and then just stick your plants wherever you want. I will show you right when I'm done with this. Don't try to push them all together. Try to even them out and so they have their own little room. You can do it all different kinds of ways. So, yes, I will show you right now. It is in the hole, everything. It looks super good with these rocks. Looks so good. Honestly, the 4 plants look super cool, and as you can see, I evenly spaced them out so they aren't just all shoved together and they have their own room. Then we can add this about like right there, probably. Anything. It doesn't stay up as good as I thought it would, like in the middle, so I just put it on the edge. You can like even put some fishing string and tape it on each side to put it on there. Like that, so you can barely see the fishing string and the pole, but I think that looks really good actually. So yeah. So guys, as you can tell, I am done, and I really hope you like this quick video DIY, super cheap, and you can add as many stickers as you want, like I said. I really hope you like this video. Please stay tuned for the surprise. I promise you the next video, probably next week, it will be up. The next video will be about the huge surprise that I have for you guys. I have been working on this thing for days and days now. It's been about 3 weeks, almost a month that I have had it, and yes guys, please stay tuned. I know everyone is wondering where it is at. I promise the next video, guys. So yeah, I really hope you like this super cool video, and stay tuned for the next one. Please like, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out, guys.